Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Cooler Master NR200P V3 compact case series. So friend, Cooler Master has introduced the new NR200P case now in V3 integration, and the NR200P V3 is a mini ITX case designed for compact build requiring high performance cooling solution. In this case measure 378.2 into 185 into 292 mm with 18.62-liter volume while supporting full-size component and the exterior combined aluminium mechanism for tool-free access, and the large main side panel facilitates airflow while maintaining component visibility, and the NR200P V3 accommodate 240 mm and 280 mm air liquid cooler through top-mounted radiator support. And additional cooling options include dual 120 mm and 140 mm fan on the top and bottom ventilation support up to 120 mm slim fans, and the no 3.5-inch drive is installed. One 120 mm slim fan for drive present. So friend, it can accommodate CPU cooler up to 70 mm in height and support graphics card up to 361.5 mm in length and 160 mm in height and 78.5 mm in width, and PCIe 5.0 into 16 riser cable enable vertical GPU mounting with the include GPU support bracket for stability, and power supply compatibility cover SFX and SFX-L form factor, and storage capacity include one 3.5-inch HDD bay expandable to 2 and one 2.5-inch SSD bay expandable to 2, and the front I/O provide two USB 3.2 generation 1 port and one USB 3.2 generation 2 into 2 Type-C port and 3.5mm headphone jack. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.